Hi students, welcome to this last module of session 12. This is the sixth one. In this module, we will understand the product design out of derived attractions of tourism and tourist destinations. So with this idea, the title for this model is tourism products out of derived attractions. How we are going to develop the product for the tourist based on the derived attractions. So with this, the learning objective of this module is to understand the tourism product creation out of derived attractions. When you look at the fundamental elements of the tourist products, like as you understood that elements of derived attractions are accommodation, structure, and then catering, the food, and then room facilities. All these are the derived. And then communication, transportation systems, and then infrastructure, the supportive system is derived attraction. It is also part of the tourism product. When you see the elements of derived attractions like complementary, the facilities like sports, events, entertainment, and permanent recreational sports and then cultural facilities, and occasional entertainment, cultural and then art events. So, like that on destination, you will find several aspects, events actually provided by the service providers. Right. So base the qualification plus human, the contact is the human resource requirements like civic and then cultural education, the technical and then professional preparation, the consciousness, the readiness to help, and then sense of hospitality. So these are the various aspects of derived attractions on the destinations. When the tourist is consuming the product, you can see that no, the product is designed based on this one. The creation of tourist product, like creation and the building of the tourist product based on these dimensions. When you look at the creation and the building of the tourist product, like a tourist product is a composed one. It must be formulated and created and then marketed as the tourist the package. So in the package you will find everything, right now, spontaneous attractions and then derived attractions. So when you just combine these two, then you can see that the tourist the package and tourist package includes everything. So the combination and mixture of elements of spontaneous and derived attractions like essential factors like transportation, recreational facilities and complementary services and executed by the capable organization that is the tour operators. So the tour operators no, involve all these two types of elements and then design the product. When they design the product, you can see that look, spontaneous attractions and the derived attractions, and transportation, recreational, and then complementary services, hospital services. All these put together, we can see that the package, so tour package that is here. You can see the tour package. Then we can, if you look at the the package, like a package is the tourist product built by tour operators and sold by the travel agent and operated by the tour manager. Right? The tour package consists of series of integrated services, tourist and then transportation, and bought, assorted, and then sold by the tour operators, and distributed by the travel agent to the consumers, and ultimately the consumers are using the product at the end. Right? With that, you can see the package and holiday travel, attractions and then image and facilities and services events. So these are all the various elements in the product, and ultimately the price and then quality actually added to that. So the consumers perceive differently the product, the features, the quality varies, and the price may be the same, but the experience would be different. So as a whole, if you see the tourist, the product integration, like if you see the product has the many features like starting from the traveling and the guiding and then receiving, like recreation, then medical related and then education related and wellness related, and you can see regenerations and then business related. So whatnot, you can see all these dimensions are there in the product, right? So tourism product is a mixture of all these, like integration of many dimensions. When you see that the tourism, no, the transformational efforts and then outcome, it is something related to. You can see that you know you can see these dimensions like quality, then the sales and product, and then consumer and time. So you can see that all these are simultaneously happening in the product level. So if you see, the another dimension like integration of the process, like among all these things, the concept of consumer integration is derived as an engagement, and then moreover active integration, and then participation of the customers in the process of tourist the product provisions at the product level, at strategic level, at operational level. So the product is completely integrated, and then in which you can see several aspects, right? So if you see sometimes the causes of new product failure, sometimes the product the fails because overestimation of the market size and product design the problem, and then product incorrectly positioned and priced and then advertised, and the cost of the product development is high and competitive actions. And to create a successful the new product, the company must understand its customers, markets, and then competitors, and develop the product that delivers the serious superior value to the customers. So these are the most important dimensions to see that the product is success. Right. So with this, let me stop here, and looking forward to meet you in the next session and then video 60. So thank you very much.